My name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. In today's session of Teaching with Teams, we will be looking at how can we manage those channel notifications. Imagine if you had like 20 different channels and you're getting notifications from every single one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So you simply go to the channel that you want to manage your notifications and you simply click on these three ellipses and you click on channel notifications. And here you can either have all your activities notified or you can completely turn them off or you can customize it. When you click on custom, you have all new posts. So if anybody posts anything, you will be notified. I do not want to do that, so I turned it off. And if you click on that, they also ask you, do you want to include all the replies? So you can go ahead and check that. I simply turn this off. And also channel mentions. If anybody mentions you in the channel, you will be notified as well. For me, if they mention me or if they want my attention, I do not want it in my banner. I simply want it in my feed. So this is how you fine tune your notifications that you're getting from all your channels. And if you'd like to know more about the difference between a feed, a banner, and how to manage a Teams notification in general, please go ahead and click on the link that's in the description below. I hope this video helps. If it does, please make sure you like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please make sure you go ahead and do that. There could be some educator who might really be annoyed with all those channel notifications. And don't forget, happy teaching!